Do you like basketball? Do you enjoy NBA MVPs? Right now, you can get 20 free NBA players just by signing up for a Sorare account. Sorare is an NFT fantasy game where you can buy, sell, and trade players to build your dream team. The game is free to play, and users can win prizes by correctly predicting the outcomes of real-life games. If you're peeking for a fun and comfortable way to get into the world of fantasy sports, or if you're just a big NBA fan, this is the perfect game for you. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and start building your dream team. My name is Jennifer. If you like me to make videos like this, the invitation link is in the pinned comment. I am glad for using Copymatic YouTube tags generator. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.